Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm excited to share how I effectively manage my stock investment portfolio using my stock portfolio tracker. The positive response to my previous tutorial video has inspired me to make this video. If you haven't had the chance to watch my previous tutorial video, I highly recommend you to do so. I will put the link to the video in the description section below. In this video, instead of a tutorial, I will demonstrate how I monitor my stock investment portfolio and use it to make informed investment decisions. Within my portfolio, I have multiple stock investment accounts, and the one I will focus on today provides a comprehensive overview of my holdings. Let's begin with a summary of the stock in my portfolio. Currently, Meta holds the largest percentage, followed by Amazon, Salesforce, Google, and Microsoft. When it comes to industry allocation, my portfolio predominantly consists of software infrastructure stock like Microsoft and Salesforce, with internet content and information represented by Meta and Google. The remaining stocks are spread across various industries, including 13% in internet retail, 9.1% in software application, 2.7% in healthcare plan, 7.3% in health information and services, 7.9% in semiconductors, 5.2% in restaurant, 2.2% in insurance and life, 2.3% in household and personal product, 5.4% in credit services, and 7% in aerospace and defense. I constantly monitor the industry allocation to ensure that I don't become over-concentrated in a single industry. I have plans to further diversify by adding positions in industries such as restaurant, credit service, and healthcare plans. In terms of sector allocation percentage, technology currently holds the highest weight with 36.4% of my portfolio. Consumer, cyclical, and communication follow behind, with healthcare, industrial, financial, and consumer defenses also represented. Now let's have a look at the performance of individual stocks within my portfolio. As of today, Palantir stands as the best performer, providing over 80% of the unrealized profit. On the other hand, Alibaba has been the worst performer, also offering 50% of unrealized profit due to the Chinese government COVID-19 lockdowns and tax regulation. Chinese stocks have experienced a downtrend over the past 2 years. However, I believe they will eventually rebound to their all-time high, requiring some patience. While I primarily invest in US stock, which has been generating excellent return, I also allocate a small portion to Chinese stock and Taiwanese stock like TSM or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, a leader in semiconductor foundry. Another valuable feature of this stock tracker is the stock price performance comparison, allowing you to compare the performance of stock in your portfolio against various indices or tickers over a specific time period. As you can see, if I compare Visa and S&P 500 index, the Visa outperformed S&P 500 over the longer time period of 5 years. At the bottom of the tracker, you can find the year-to-date return of each stock in my portfolio. As of today, Meta has been the best performing stock in terms of year-to-date percentage, up almost 100%, followed by Palantir, which is up 83% year-to-date. Salesforce and Google also have a very high year-to-date return among the stock in my portfolio. Additionally, it's crucial to consider the annualized return over a longer time period. Stocks like Google, Meta, and Amazon, which I hold in my portfolio, have delivered impressive double-digit annualized return over the past 10 years and 20 years. The last feature I utilize in this spreadsheet is the watch list. Here I monitor the buy point of each stock and intrinsic value of stock I plan to purchase in the near future. Currently, I'm considering opening a position in Apple, but the current price is overvalued and hasn't reached any of my potential buy point. Therefore, I will have to wait for the price to drop below the intrinsic value and hit the desired buy point. When the stock reaches the predetermined buy point, the corresponding cell will turn to green to alert me. That concludes how I manage and track my stock investment portfolio using this spreadsheet. This tool has proven to be incredibly useful in helping me make informed decisions regarding fund allocation within my portfolio. For those interested in starting to invest in stock market with limited capital or small account, I highly recommend you to use a broker that offers fractional shares such as Interactive Broker. It allows you to buy your favorite stock regardless of the value of the price. If you are interested, you can find my referral code link in the comment section below. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do give a like and share this video to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.